Now guys, we are going to record your flight so you can see yourselves up here on the screen. Big smile and wave there. Good afternoon. Hello. My name's Alex. I'll be taking you up. Now, up here on the right and the left we have a handle. You can hold onto those. So you can hold onto the handle. Doors, don't touch the door. Now, we're off to see London Bridge. A 15-minute flight, okay? You guys ready?
Yep.
Alright, here we go. Alrighty guys, so we are just going to make our way up to 500 feet. See these rocks here coming into view? They're the first 5 apostles. 1, 2, 3, the short one just there, 4 and then 5. On the right we have the other 3. So if your brain's still working by now, we have 8 apostles left. How's everyone's English? A little English? English? Yeah, good. This one here, tallest apostle, stands at 64 meters tall at the highest peak. And then this one here, we have the last apostle. Everything up to this point is a separate rock feature. So here we have the 2 sisters. They used to look the same, however, unfortunately their head fell off the last one. Salt and pepper shaker, and then the razorback, that long, thin one there. Have you guys been down to Lockhart Gorge at all? Lockhart Gorge is just over there. So whereabouts are you guys from? Just bring your microphone a bit closer. What was that? Malaysia?
Malaysia.
And yourselves?
No, they're from
Sorry?
South Korea.
Oh, South Korea.
Yeah.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Alright, so just down here, guys, we have Broken Head. And up over here, we have Baker's Oven.
Wow.
Can you see that cave protruding through the middle there of the rock feature? That's said to look like an old-style wooden pizza oven. Most of these points you can access via four-wheel drive track and walk the way along here. You want to be careful where you step though. A lot of the cliff ledge is very unstable and eroding between 2 to 5 centimetres per year. This one here, that fell away in March of last year. That's 500 tonnes or so of limestone. Up ahead, this is the tallest rock in the national park. That stands at 73 metres tall, or about the same height as your average 15-storey building. Now we're just going to make our turn and track all the way along here for Point Hess. Off to the right you can see Port Campbell Township. So you guys just on holidays? On holidays in Australia?
Holiday.
Yeah, holiday?
Yeah.
Holidays?
Their vacation.
Vacation? Oh,
Yeah.
cool. I was on vacation in South Korea 10 days ago.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I went to Seoul, Busan and Gwangju.
Wow.
Yeah. Whereabouts are you guys from?
Oh, Seoul. Nearby Seoul.
In Seoul?
Yeah.
Yep. In Gangnam?
Yeah.
In Gangnam, yeah.
We always play in Gangnam.
Oh, right, yeah.
Yeah.
I went, do you know Club Octagon?
Oh,
You know, in Gangnam?
yeah.
Yeah, I went there. That's really cool. It's a
Yeah.
nice country, South Korea. It's really nice. Very nice people.
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah. So how long are you in Australia?
Oh, maybe 2 weeks.
Oh, right, yeah.
Yep.
Up ahead, guys, we have the Arch,
Yeah.
one of the lesser imaginative names for one of our rock features.
Oh.
Now, can you see those two rocks there at the base of the Arch?
Yeah.
They're actually about the same size as your average small family car. So we could fly through there. I don't think I'll be trying it anytime soon. And now here we have Point Hess. So can you guys see, there's just a gap that's been carved into the cliff edge just here.
Yeah.
See that? That's a set of stairs.
Oh.
See those stairs? And then just here we have London Bridge. So London Bridge was originally connected to the mainland by a second arch. However, that fell away in the 1990s.
Oh.
We'll turn here and make our way back and you'll get a really nice shot of that. I've just popped it back onto the internal camera there and we'll turn and bank around.
Oh.
Keep your eye out for some whales. We've had quite a few sightings in the last couple of weeks.
Wow.
I haven't seen any today, unfortunately, but that's not to say that we won't. And then that's London Bridge there. So when it collapsed, there was actually 2 tourists stuck out on the island there for several hours before they were rescued. So what do you guys think so far? Enjoying it?
Yeah,
that's
very good.
And we've got a couple of waterfalls with the recent rain that we've had, just cascading off the cliff edge there. That's Campbell Township there off to the left. And the Great Ocean Road used to run right down here to the tip. However, they've had to move it back now into the centre of the town due to that undercutting of the cliff edge. We then have Sentinel Rock again and Horseshoe Cove beside that. So you see that little alcove in there? Just at the base, there's actually a colony of fairy penguins that come out during sunset. So do you guys work in Seoul or study?
In Australia?
No, in Korea.
Yeah, studying.
Studying.
Yeah.
And,
So,
and yourself? You work? Yep. In Malaysia. Now just here, guys, we have Muttonbird Island. That giant seahorse, or maybe a question mark if you like.
Oh, wow, question mark.
Question mark, yeah? Just on the tip there, we have... we had one of Australia's worst maritime disasters. Now here's we have the first apostle. So number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Or il, I, thum, sa, or yuk, chill pal. Yeah, right on. And what's 9 and 10? Gul, sip.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
You're good well Korean.
I a very small amount. Here's number 9. So number 9 fell away in 2005. That's that pile of rocks there.
Yeah.
And just to the right there of the viewing platform we have Gog and Magog. They're not the apostles, but just separate rock features. Now we're just going to make our way back around now, guys. Off to the left, you'll get a nice shot of all the apostles lined up in a row. That's the postcard shot. And we're just going to make our approach back into the heliport now, guys.
Yeah.
We're just going to make our way back. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened, and the ground staff will come and let you out. Once again, I hope you have enjoyed your flight and the rest of your time here. Okay, guys. Thanks very much. Or thumbs up, and
Yeah, thank you very much.
you can see yourselves up here on the screen. Big smile wave there. Thanks very much, guys.
Yeah.
Have a great
Bye.
trip.
Bye.
Grab your headsets, and you can pop them back on the hooks. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of Australia. Cheers. Hey, mate, can I just have this one?